Hi, I'm Jeremy Wilson, Vermax traffic signal and AFAD specialist. So now I'd like to talk to you about how we tied in JamLogic into our traffic signal systems. So as you can see here, we have 3 units in this profile. From here we can set alerts. So if you have a low battery, a bad application with very little solar, you'll be able to set it up so your employees or yourself can start to receive notifications for very specific issues with the units. This will help you to see that your battery, your voltage, your solar are all, let's say they're starting to diminish. So before it actually goes into an alarm mode, you could have it set up so you'll be able to get that notification, deploy one of your employees, and that way that limits any type of operational downtime of the traffic signal system as well. On top of that, for any liability issues, you're able to go back and look into the logs and be able to see exactly what the system was into at the time of any type of incident. So from here we could see the 3-way intersection that it's in, the name of the active signal plant, a 3-way burn-in with the driving side on the right-hand side. And then if we move over here a little bit, we can see where it'll be located on Google Maps.